So anyway, I should have made a video when I started this, but this seems to come off quite easily. It's just some gunk on the top. So I'm just using my fingernails because I don't want to use anything sharp to scratch the coin. So if you're cleaning them and you've got this gunk on there, you can probably try this first. Just remember, your nail is soft, so I think it's like 2.5 on the modern scale. I've got long fingernails because I'm a bit of a lady. But there you go. See, you can easily pick it off. So that was like resin or glue, something like that. So as you can see, underneath looks pretty undamaged. So that was probably either to protect it or they wanted to stick it onto something. And as you can see, this is the script. So this is the right way up. Now you can look up Tibetan script on the internet. I can't read this, but I believe that these are a vowel and a consonant and a vowel. So like a ra, ka, sha. So that's how you would read a script like this. But it should be easy to read if you look it up on the internet. So here we have the Tibetan script. As you can see here, what we want to do is be able to pronounce that. So it does get a bit complicated. So if you just take the first two, so can we find those on there? Just remember, this might be a bit different than the script on there because of the style differences. So it looks like da something. I could be totally wrong. So this is why you need quite a long time to actually learn this stuff. So, if you want to read that script, there's probably on Numistor you can probably pick it up, or some other websites might be able to teach you. This side doesn't have a script. It's quite nice, but there are different varieties as well. So I know there's one, so it's probably one shawl, but that's about all I can read. These are probably different names of different sacred objects. Anyway, I hope this helps you with your coins. Just remember, when you're cleaning, just be careful on what you're doing. A coin like this, $5 to $10, I would hesitate to do too much damage, so I wouldn't clean it in most ways. But a coin like this, a New Zealand 5-cent coin, which is worth 5 cents, clean away. You can use acids, scrubs, you can use a wire brush if you want to. But even in this coin, it's not worth much. You can still sell it in coin lots like 10 to 20 New Zealand coins. Anyway, thank you very much and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.